roto el techo del Magic. Nos vamos, nos vamos. Se ha roto el techo del Magic.
Today, the city of Badalona, located within the Barcelona metropolitan area, is facing a severe flooding emergency as a powerful storm system continues to deliver intense rainfall across northeastern Spain. The rain has fallen with extraordinary force, overwhelming drainage systems and causing widespread flooding throughout streets and residential districts. In many areas, rainfall accumulated at extreme rates over a short time, leading to rapid water buildup on roads, sidewalks, and low-lying zones. As a result, everyday urban streets have turned into fast-flowing streams, forcing residents to cope with conditions more typical of a river floodplain than a city environment. Public transportation has been significantly disrupted, with multiple metro and commuter rail services across the Barcelona region, including lines serving Badalona, experiencing delays and partial shutdowns. Floodwaters have entered underground infrastructure, raising serious safety concerns and forcing authorities to temporarily suspend services. Traffic congestion worsened across the city and surrounding areas as flooded roadways and reduced visibility slowed movement, prompting officials to urge the public to avoid non-essential travel. Emergency authorities have advised residents to remain indoors whenever possible and to avoid walking or driving through flooded streets. Even shallow water can hide dangerous hazards such as displaced debris, damaged pavement, or uncovered drains. Particular concern has been raised for underpasses, tunnels, and low-lying neighborhoods where water can rise quickly and without warning. Visuals from across Badalona showed water rushing downhill through streets, seeping into residential buildings and collecting in public squares.
Ahora voy chof, 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 chof. Estamos inundados.
Ground floor homes and businesses reported water intrusion, prompting emergency crews to respond in efforts to minimize damage and assist affected residents. Numerous vehicles were seen partially submerged, with some rendered immobile as water levels increased faster than expected. Pedestrians in several neighborhoods were forced to wade through water reaching ankle to knee height, further highlighting the severity of the situation. The storm responsible for this flooding is part of a broader weather pattern impacting Catalonia and eastern Spain. Conditions remain unstable, with periods of heavy rainfall continuing throughout the day and into the night. saturated soil has heightened the risk of additional flooding, even with moderate rainfall, raising concerns that already affected districts could face renewed impacts.
Por aquí me llega el agua en esa zona. ¿Alguien va a hacer algo para arreglar esto o nos tenemos que quedar bajo el agua?
Civil protection agencies and emergency services have been deployed throughout the city. Firefighters and rescue teams responded to multiple incidents involving stranded vehicles, flooded properties, and blocked access routes. Authorities advised residents in high-risk areas to move valuables to higher ground, unplug electrical appliances, and stay alert for further alerts. Monitoring efforts intensified near waterways and urban channels, where sudden surges in water levels pose a serious threat, particularly near the Bessos River and surrounding flood-prone zones. As a precaution, riverside paths and public spaces were temporarily closed. Officials warned that upstream rainfall could cause rapid changes in water flow at any moment, making these locations especially dangerous. Commercial activity in Badalona was disrupted, with several businesses closing temporarily due to flooding and inaccessible delivery routes. Municipal crews worked to clear debris and unblock drains, though ongoing rainfall complicated cleanup operations. Schools and public institutions adjusted schedules as a safety measure, while municipal authorities prioritized access for emergency vehicles and the protection of critical infrastructure, including power and communication systems. Residents were encouraged to check on vulnerable neighbors and strictly follow official guidance as the situation continues to develop. Authorities remain focused on public safety, damage control, and preparedness for additional rainfall in the hours ahead.
Así está Badalona. ¡Qué fuerte! Madre mía, ¿cómo estamos, Sí, porque hay agua.
Ya. Desde aquí en el autobús por aquí. A ver si llego.